So it looks to be a very day, some lovely clouds. Definition there. Question is, am I going to shoot in colour or black and white? Maybe just both. So join me on a classic Lakeland walk. I'm out of breath due to a very sharp start and increase in height. So this is the Coledale Horseshoe, and it wasn't that long ago where I was at this place where I did my last fell outer side. So this is going to be quite a biggie. It's around 13-14k and just over 1,000 metres in ascent. There we go, that's our first fell of the day. Now that is a sharp incline. That is Grisedale Pike. Nice. We're just going to sweep round, down, then up, Eel Crag, Crag Hill, head across to Sail, Scar Crags, and from there I'm going to drop down from Scar Crags. Not going to continue to Causey Pike. I'm going to drop down from there. So weather-wise, high cloud today. The sun is out. It's a lovely shot, a nice bit of contrast there. Derwent water, nice outline of fells, the Dodds in the background. So we'll see what today brings in terms of photography. No rain expected. I'm not sure about that. No direct light. We'll have to see. It's going to be a long one. As I say, it's over 1,000 metres, and anything over 1,000 metres is quite testing for me these days. 13-14k. We'll see, but it is a classic. It'll take me time. It's a busy route. It's the Easter bank holiday, so there's plenty of people around. Just can't get away from them. That caught my eye. See the separation in the conifers? That diagonal running across the frame, the wall. And why not? It's warmed up a bit. So a bit of a pit stop before I start my ascent up to Grisedale Pike, because it is a bit of a lung burner. Just to talk about my photography in general, looking back, especially in the last 1 or 2 years, I'm questioning, is this standard as good as what it should be? And is this to blame? And what I mean by this being here on this catch, i.e. no tripod, very instantaneous snapshot. I'm taking less time to really refine my photography in terms of composition, waiting for the optimum moments, which, to be honest, is what landscape photography is all about if you want to get to that level. However, what's more important for me is the enjoyment. And when I'm on these hikes, I don't want to stop and start and set up a tripod, let alone carry it, you know, be precision and waiting for that right moment. I just want to continue and snap away, because at the end of the day, it's just documenting the day for me. But I admit, perhaps I could improve slightly and just take that a bit longer to compose. Am I going to get any portfolio shots a day? Just by looking around the conditions, i.e. really high altitude, clouds, no real definition in the light, probably not. Though I will no doubt enjoy it with taking some snaps. Just a thought, just for yourself. On my homepage, James R. Burns Photo, there's a gallery on my homepage basically of all my shots taken from sessions like these, quick snapshots. It's a combination, black and white, colour, urban stuff. It's only when you get into my portfolios where you see my better photography, the ones where the moments have been right, ideal conditions, the composition is better, things like that. Have a judge for yourself, go and visit it and let me know your thoughts. So already you can see the crowd slowing down. A lot of stopping and starting. on this climb so far. This is where it gets testing. It's quite techy as well at the top of Grisedale Pike. Quite humid, but there's a cold breeze. So that's obviously helping. I've thought I'd put my cap on. Cap? It's not a cap, is it? It's not flat cap, is it, this? I'm from Yorkshire. Woolly hat on, because the winds are picking up, I can feel it, and obviously at the top of Grisedale Pike, it probably will be very windy. Hopefully not as windy as the last time I was there. Made it, Grisedale Pike. It's horrendous. Great visibility. Not. This is my excuse, I have a bit of a breather, you know, talk to the camera. Better crack on. Not that I'm in any rush. No rush. So this is where it levels off for a little while before I start the ascent up to Grisedale Park. This is called Sleet How. The view's really up and up. We're more or less at the same altitude as Altaside across there. Look at the light though appearing. Crag Hill, Sail, Scar Crags. Look at those clouds. Yeah, and as expected, the wind is picking up. Keep moving on, keep warm. Until it comes to a point, I've put a jacket on, but we'll see. This is going to take a lot out of me. This is probably, well I say probably not. So once I get to the top of Grisedale Park, that's the majority of the ascent done. But then I've got to dip down and head up to Crag Hill, which I've never done, but look at the map. That's quite a steep climb as well. Quick look around. There's no light. High cloud, nice definition. Oh, that heather. Obviously not in flower yet, but imagine when that blooms. Lovely sea of pink and purple. You get a lot of that around here, as you can tell. I don't really need to say that, do I? It's there in front of you. Imagine that, a nice bit of light. Sun setting and sun rising on that. Wonderful stuff. Right, okay, continuing on. No light. I reckon moody photographs today. See, things like that, see that fern? Just standing out. Something which is prominent in the scene against a white background. I'm not saying that'll work, but every now and then something might turn up. That right in the middle there. Anyway, gotta do it. It's a balance of easy footing, quite tricky footing, because you've got scree, but you've also got some good sturdy footings with the rocks. You can plant your foot and push yourself up. Pretty steep. No doubt about it. And yeah, that wind or wind chill is picking up. I'm gonna get to the top, get some more layers on, probably make a brew. That's lovely. Oh, we're here, top of the Grisedale Pike. Wish I had that coming down. Mountain bike. Whoa, so just under 800 metres. Yeah, the wind is picking up. I'm going to put another layer on. Some lovely light. Look at that. Start to spit as well. Right, let's find a pitch. Chill for a little bit. Oh. All right, Matt. mountain biker. Just nearly took everyone out. Anyway, nice little break. Got an extra layer on. Gloves on as well. Temperature's dropped. It'll soon warm up, no doubt. Bit of weather over there. So a quick snap. Nice moody shot. Right. So when the crowd is there, I'm going to continue, but instead of that path which leads up to Sand Hill, I'm going to veer off to the left, which will take me to the foot of Hill Crag and then up to Crag Hill. Really good walk is this, really interesting. Look at that light there, that's nice. I've taken a few shots. You can only take so many, can't you? Same shot. Oh, so I have to put another layer on now. It really is picking up. And the rains are coming as well. It's a light rain, but wow. That wind's getting a bit ferocious. So an extra layer. Wow. It just goes to show that the conditions can just change like that. That's why you need to be prepared at all times. Oh, that is ferocious. Whew. Always kitted out. Always kitted out. So there you go. So pop and right. You know that. Take that one down there. Quite a descent by the looks of it. And then got a bit of a climb, which is made obviously harder because of the conditions. All good fun. Up Gull Head there, just see some walkers. Sand Hill, more walkers. That big lump there is Grasmore. That path between Grasmore and Crag Hill, that's where I'm heading. The spectacular craggy side of Whiteside. Excellent. Just appearing in the distance there, Crummock Waters. Look at them moody conditions. Right, this is the start of the ascent. That's Crag. Oh well, look there. Look there. Sure I do. I fancy that. We'll go that way, I think. So, the map and the route is telling me to go up there. It's not really a defined path. It does look a bit scree. So, what I'm going to do is take the longer route, which comes to a crossroads between Crag Hill and Grasmore. So that's what I'm going to do. Slightly longer, but it's basically up here. It's that path. It looks a bit less dangerous route. Slightly longer, but less dangerous. Wind seems to have calmed down actually. Waterfall. So there we go. This is the crossroads towards Grasmore. And I'm going Crag Hill. Yet more fells are coming into view. Foreground, right hand side, Wando up. Beyond that, Haystacks, Kirkfell, Great Gable, Scarfells beyond. It really is a great hike is this. And for the baggers out there, me being an ex-bagger, it's worth it because you can get tick some other fells off in not too much short distance. Yeah, get multiple, going right bagging day if you want. Yeah. That rain has held off. It's starting to get a little bit warmer. But the chill factor's still there, the wind is still there. Right, I think it's time for a brew at the top of Crag Hill, where we'll enjoy the views, take some more shots, no doubt. And there we go, the trig point of the highest point of the day, Crag Hill, just over 800 metres. The views, spectacular. The light, faint, really nice light. Not harsh, but still maintaining some detail. It's long lens territory, is this? Not got one of them. Right, tap this can. There we go. Done it. Oh. So, as I leave the beautiful views of Coledale, the top of Crag Hill, venture, what a great word. And my way down to Sale, towards Sale, and then it's a bit of up and down really, up to Scar Crags. I could veer off down the valley from Sale, still might do, I don't know, but basically I could go up Scar Crags and then just go back down that way. Look at that, a little bit of light. Yeah, this is quite sketchy coming down from Crag Hill. It's at this point as well of the hike, and a bit tired or getting a bit fatigued in the legs, where you could easily lose your balance and go and hurt yourself. I've done that before. Wow. So just checking my time. What's holding the camera? So sitting on the top of Crag Hill, I'm thinking, it's just a gentle descent now. I tell you what, that's quite testing. Down from Crag Hill, even up here to Sale. Oh, yeah, quite a testing hike. Oh, someone's forgotten their orange. 2 oranges. Flavour the water. Traditional. Tap it. Right. So now we're about to witness the famous zigzaggy path of Sale. You can see it from afar. And there we go. Zigzaggy. So there's 2 options from here. I can continue up towards Scar Crags, head back down, but you veer back down on yourself, or there's a path just leading off the bottom of Sale Col. So turn left basically, and that'll head down towards outer side, that path there is in the middle. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Conditions haven't really changed all day, as you can see. Not much difference when it comes to photography options. Oh, let's do it. Let's head up to Scar Crags. I could go down there. Not quite ready. This will put me over 1,000 metres, I'm sure, so I'm going to do it. Oh, hardcore. And there you have it, looking back. The zigzag path of Sale. Right, about to reach the next highest point of the day, And from there, I'm going to head down to Scar Crags. Oh, yeah, I'll certainly feel this one in the morning. Oh, but it gives me that extra well-being, extra feeling that I've done a long hike. Hence the reason why I still opted to come to Scar Crags rather than head down. Just wanted to get that extra ascent. So I should be over 1,000 metre ascent. I haven't been doing that. I haven't done that for quite a long time actually. Oh yeah, photography. Let's see what I can do, but it's pretty much layers. See, that's nice. It's long length stuff. Long length stuff. Because the furthest I can get is 105mm. Lovely moody stuff. Not a lot of variety. You don't get a lot of variety when you fell walking. We know this. Oh, it's all about documenting it. Documenting the day, as it were. Not going to do that. It's a path anyway down round here. Take that, head back down to the valley. Oh. Another fell runner. No, not for me. There you go, Cozy Pike. I'll do. So there we go. That's the path. Takes you up to Cozy Pike. I'm going to take this one. So that's my view. Basically, I'm heading down. The clouds, it's lovely clouds. You can make photos of some clouds as well. That's incorporating. Look at that. That's pretty much what it's going to be today. Comes to choice. So be it. That's the day. Been beeped. I think I'm off. Yeah, joins here. Just off the path. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been presenting with today. So why not? That is it. Is it this one? It's got it. Let's take the boggy route. It's the rain. The rains are coming. What do you expect though with clouds like that? It's not heavy so far. Hold off. Right, so I'm down. The left hand side is outer side. Turn you around. Look at those clouds. Have I mentioned clouds today? I think I have. Look at that. Today's just been a question of positioning the frame, the fell lines, and just coming up with the best composition possible, or so I feel at the time. But look at that. It's like a proper storm cell, doesn't it? So I'm going to continue this path on towards Barrow. That's that lump to right hand side. I'm not going to head up there. I'm going to head up left and down towards Braithwaite. Yeah, these shots today, I'll show them at the end of the video and the final gallery. I don't think there's any with the foreground. I like to shoot foreground when there's light, because there's no light hitting that foreground. It just seems to blend in, unless, oh God, oh tired legs, unless there's some good contrast in the colours. I mean, this is light, that sort of thing has appealed to me. But no, I reckon all the shots at the long end of the lens today, and so be it. That's what it is, that's what I've chosen to do. Now, if you remember that scene from previous time I was here, not too long ago, a lovely light in the Skidder range. Now it's just flat, some lovely detailed clouds. So this is the crossroads basically. That takes you up Barrow. This will take me back down to Braithwaite. That's where I'm heading. That's where my car is. Oh, I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling it now. The weather has turned a little bit. Showers on and off. Winds picking up as well. All good stuff. I'm knackered. Right, okay, it's the final gallery. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the photography. Let me know your favourites. I like to hear that now. What's your favourite shot? Right, okay. I'll tell you I'm tired. I'm really tired. Till next time, take good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.